Hi and welcome back to our Flowzone tutorials. In this video we are going to be looking at project types and company permissions. So let's dive into a test system. Here we can see a list of projects. I have projects for various companies, some for Team B, Team A, C, Team D, and a couple down here for Team E. The other thing to notice is that we have different types of projects. We have some internal, documents only, and an external. It's just worth reminding ourselves that the names of types in Flowzone are completely configurable by yourselves. You choose what you call your project types. This is just for illustration purposes. They have no particular meaning in this case. The first thing I want to establish is which project types do I have available in this system. So let's go into admin, projects, project types. I've got 3 project types: external, internal, documents only. Okay, so let's move into the companies area and have a look at the setup for Team A. Team A has project types set up so that they can only access internal project types. Let's have a look at Team B. Project types, same thing, internal. Team C, project types, same thing, internal. So A, B, and C are internal only. Team D, project types, documents only and internal. And then finally Team E, project types, all 3 project types: documents only, external, and internal. So what's the effect of that? Well, the key thing is that when you create a new project, so let's do that, new project, let's call it test. If I select Team A, the only project type I have available to me is internal. If I would select Team B, again internal. Team C, internal. Team D, now we've got documents only and internal. And finally Team E was the one which was set up with all 3 available. So I could select documents only, external, or internal. We can also look at the relationship between a project type and a company in the project types themselves. So before we went to the companies and we had a look at the project types for a particular company, but we can look at it the other way around. So we can go to the project types, go to each individual project type, and then have a look at the companies which are set up there. So if I were to go to internal and have a look at the permissions, you can see that this project type is available to all the companies that I have set up. These are all selected on the left hand side. If I go to external, by contrast, there is only one selected company, Team E. And then finally, if I go to documents only and have a look at the permissions, the companies that are able to use this project type, then it's only Team D and Team E. Team A, B, and C are not selected. Supposing we want to change the setup. So let's go back to our companies. Let's imagine Team A actually needs to have access to all project types. So what I do is I click on Team A, go to project types, and then tick the other 2 project types. I'm going to be able to use all project types: documents only, external, and internal. If I save that, I can now go to projects, create a new project, and let's put in test again. And I'm selecting Team A. Team A now has access to documents only, external, and internal. That's it for this video. I hope you found that useful. Please check out our other videos. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.